My name is Seng from CITIC Telecom CPC. I'm based in Singapore, and I'm very happy today to have with me my co-host and also co-presenter, Joe from VMware. He's based in Hong Kong. Good morning, Joe.
Hey, morning, Seng.
Right, so you can see here that the global economy is forecast to grow by 4% in 2021, according to the World Bank. However, this is not uniform across all locations. In fact, the highest growth is expected to come from Asia, with East Asia Pacific projected to have an output expansion of 7.4%. If we drill down further, the chart on the right shows that China's growth is expected to outstrip the rest of the world, followed by the emerging markets and developing economies, or EMDE in short. Now, this EMDE group of countries or locations being categorized here in this study included countries such as India, ASEAN, Russia, and South Africa. So these are good news for all of us, because as the global economy improves, spending will rise, and so will business opportunities. So although we foresee opportunities for businesses when world economies start to recover, there are still many uncertainties and challenges that can prevent your company from being successful moving forward. In addition, IT face more challenges if they are to rise up to support businesses. Right, so these are a few of the business as well as IT challenges that are both intertwined and interlinked. Right, firstly, many companies still have presence in many parts of the world. Maintaining the network in these uncertain times can be stressful because you have to do it remotely, and capacity planning can be tricky with, for example, more video conferencing sessions as well as hybrid work arrangements, right, for your staff in different parts of the world. Secondly, a long deployment time will impact business outcomes. This can be a real challenge when the local infrastructure is not well established or certain resources are not readily available. For example, the current semiconductor shortages have caused certain hardware equipment to be in low supply. The next IT challenge has to do with limited manpower and talents. Now, this has been a common problem in the IT world, and I believe the COVID-19 pandemic has further aggravated it, since headcounts would have been freezed or even cut to lower costs in some companies. Last but not least, both business and IT have to answer the question and decide whether to expand or not. And if so, whether to hire more IT staff, redeploy, or do more with less by embracing new technologies. Now, this is where SD-WAN comes in, and overcome the challenges and rise above these uncertain times with the help of advanced technologies such as SD-WAN. By using a hybrid WAN underlying infrastructure, costs can be lowered by using purely internet and even LTE mobile networks to complement private networks such as MPLS or critical sites. Right. The second advantage of the SD-WAN technology is high availability, which can be achieved so that when one link goes down, the SD-WAN overlay will detect it and route all traffic to another active link. The third advantage has to do with high performance. So all these, in terms of hybrid WAN, high availability, can be achieved without any compromised performance, because SD-WAN has built-in intelligence to optimize routes and perform error correction. There is also layer 7 application traffic control and WAN visibility. Thousands of applications can be recognized, and this allows automation of QoS configurations and bandwidth allocations. Next, zero-touch provisioning and virtualization means that agility can be achieved and IT can scale in tandem with business. All this improves end user experience when they have quick, timely, and secure access to the required information, regardless of when and where they are located. That we have called, in terms of our managed SD-WAN solution, is TrueCONNECT Hybrid Network solution. And CITIC Telecom CPC is one of the first managed SD-WAN service providers in this part of the world, and in partnership with VMware. Now, according in this diagram, you can see that there are various devices. So what we can do for customers is at your HQ, data center and branch offices, we can procure, deploy, monitor and manage the SD-WAN edge devices for you on a 24/7 manner. So that saves you the upfront investment in procuring these devices on a one-time cost basis, right? So it will be on a monthly subscription basis. The orchestrator you can see here in the middle is multi-tenanted, and it is hosted and managed by us as well in our backbone. So again, you need not deployment and fully managed by us.